Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious avocado toast using the air fryer. I made 2 avocado toast. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. First one is the avocado toast using avocado only and egg. What I have here is a large avocado. This is ripe and 1 egg. And we're also going to need a little bit of butter. And this is a air fry safe rack that I got from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box. All we have to do is cut this sliced avocado half and remove the seed, and you're just going to scoop some of the avocado flesh or the meat so you have the egg, you have something for the egg to sit on. This just really depends on how big the size of the egg is. So you could scrape everything and just keep it just a little bit, just like me right here. It doesn't really matter if, the egg goes overboard. As long as it has a little space for the egg to sit on. So just scrape that out and save those avocado because we're going to use that for the next toast. So I preheated my air fryer already for 300 degrees, and this is ready to go. And I'm just going to put that rack. I'm going to use a non-stick spray so the avocado won't stick to the rack. And I'm just going to place that avocado into the rack. I'm going to use a little bit of foil so the avocado won't be flying all over the place because the air fryer is going to blow this away, the egg. So this is optional. You could either just leave it as is, but it holds the avocado into level basically so the egg won't go overboard. And I just spread butter into the avocado. If you don't want to use butter, you're welcome to use coconut oil. And there you go. I'm just going to crack that egg and see it went overboard, but that's okay. You could learn your way how you want it done. Just scrape more of the avocado flesh and it has more space for your egg. So I'm just going to place this gently into the air fryer. You could put at least 4 avocados into this air fryer. I'm going to cook this on 300 degrees heat for 7 minutes. Now, if you want your egg to be over easy, just cook it for 5 minutes and you should be good to go. And after 7 minutes, here you go. This is so perfect and so easy. Basically, less than 10 minutes, you have a healthy breakfast. All you have to do with this one is just transfer it, remove it from the fryer basket, place it on your serving plate. It's really good. You could top this with sour cream or cottage cheese. That's really up to you. I'm simple, so I'm just going to top this with ground black pepper and some little green onions. And that's about it. This is good to go. This is a healthiest breakfast. This is breakfast for the champ. So delicious. I know you guys would love this if you like avocado. Next one is the avocado toast on sourdough bread. Now, if you like bread and you like avocado and you like egg, this is the perfect breakfast for you. Super easy. You will need 2 sourdough toast, sourdough bread. If you don't want sourdough bread, you could use whatever bread you want. And just basically you're making a nest. There's a term for this. I think it's called egg nest or something. I'm just going to make a hole basically, and I'm just going to scoop that bread out. I'm not going to dispose that bread. I could use that later on to make croutons. So just make basically a hole just like that and just remove that bread. remove that and set that aside. You're going to have a place to put your egg, and that should be it. And just put that on top of the other bread. Now we're going to spread this with butter. Again, if you don't want to use butter, you're welcome to use avocado oil or coconut oil. Oh, avocado oil will be so good too. I forgot to do that. I do have avocado oil handy because I love avocado oil, but butter will work. If you're watching your diet, then skip the butter or even replace the bread. And now I'm just gonna place this into the same air fryer. And then I'm just gonna crack that egg just like that. And place this in the air fryer. I'm going to cook this the same 300 degrees for about 8 minutes. Or 7 minutes, sorry. And there you go. It's perfect. That egg is good to go. And just remove that and place it to your serving plate. And again, top this however you want to top it. But since I have another avocado, the avocado flesh that I removed from the first avocado toast, I'm just going to put that on top of this egg. And this is what we called another version of the avocado toast on a sourdough bread. There you go. My daughter actually loves it. She loves it this way. She don't like avocado eating by itself, but when I put this on top of the egg and the bread, then she eat it. There you go. So good. If you want some red bell pepper or tomatoes, go ahead and do that. I'm just going to top this with ground black pepper. You could add salt, but why salt, right? And the green onions, and there you go. There is the avocado toast on the sourdough bread. This is a bird's nest. There you go. So delicious, so good, super healthy. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like, comment down below if you have questions about this recipe. Again, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, ciao.